How do you prefer your foreign partner? Skinny, chubby, or fluffy? Do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, a man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy? What personality trait do you like most in a partner? Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy? What drives you wild in a man? A beautiful smile, beautiful eyes, or a beautiful bank account? May we know your name and age?
I'm Nicole and I'm 23 years old.
How are you tonight, Ma'am Nicole?
I'm kind of not happy and not sad, but just average.
Oh no. Let's ask about that later. But anyway, here's the question. How do you prefer your foreign partner? Skinny, chubby, or fluffy?
Um, I don't really base on standards po.
Okay.
I just base on the personality.
Personality. Okay. You had boyfriends before?
Wala po.
No boyfriends since birth.
Yes po.
Okay. What personality trait do you like most in a partner? Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
Um, I think po it depends on when I see him or when I know him personally, since I cannot tell po if ano po talaga.
You cannot really tell. But which one are you more like attractive? Like when you see a guy, what are you attractive to? Like aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
Confident, I guess.
Choose one. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, white, and handsome. Or short and very handsome.
I guess TDH na lang. TDH. So tall, dark, and handsome.
By the way, I love your skin color. She's very morena. You're welcome. How tall are you?
5'4"?
5'4". Do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, like a handyman, a man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy?
I guess tech savvy.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Interesting. May we know why?
Since we are living in a modern age, I think um it is a demand for us to be technologically native or citizen, since we are all living in modern world po.
So we have a beautiful Filipinas here. Babe, what's your name? I'm Vea. Vea. Vea, as in victory. Oh, not Bea, Vea. Okay. And her, it's her second time here, guys. But for our new viewers, can you please tell your name and your age?
Hello po, I am Joris and I am 21 years old.
Sisters, right?
Yes po, yes.
Beautiful sisters. How do you prefer your foreign partner? Skinny, chubby, or fluffy? Let's start with you, Be.
I prefer skinny. I prefer chubby. Yes po. Because from my personal experience, I like it when my partner is more huggable. Yes po. And actually my love language is physical touch. I like side arms, and I like to be with someone who is capable of protecting me.
Well, we all love soft, especially when we're hugging someone. So you like skinny guys. May we know why you like skinny?
I think it's more attractive po to hug someone skinny.
That's her preference, right? Okay. What personality trait do you like most in a partner? Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
For me po, a man who is confident is of himself is very attractive, because when a guy is confident, he is more likely to be secure physically, mentally, and emotionally.
I love that. And you, Be?
I like guys who's
Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
I like confident but not arrogant po. Because I like guys who is not full of himself and confident enough to be to provide for me po.
I could tell that you're sisters. Both are smart. I love that. Okay, choose one. Okay, just one. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, white, and handsome. Or short and very handsome.
I prefer tall, dark, and handsome because I think um I'm not most of the Filipinos who like white guys because it sounds like they're standing for colonialism. I like guys who are tan because their features are are standing out with their color, and with their color, they're more likely to stand out with 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 a lot of white guys. And they look like strong when they're tan.
How tall are you, Beth?
I'm 5'2" po.
5'2". And how about you?
I like tall, dark, and handsome din po. And because I think their features accentuate their different personalities. Unlike white guys, no, I don't want to generalize, but more men are more looks very attractive when they're tanned, and I love it more when they embrace their own colors and their own uh culture and their own heritage.
Do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, a man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy?
I want my man who's a great cook because I actually like eating. I eat a lot despite of my appearance, a skinny appearance, but I like cooking also. And with that, I think we will be more compatible with each other because I like spending time showing my love and affection through my cooking. And I also show it to my family because I always cook at home. So I would like to build a home that is built with love and that is shown on cooking. Yes.
What's your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is kare kare.
I love that. Kare kare. Especially if you have this, like fresh cooked rice. Oh my God. Okay, again, Be, for you. Okay, do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, a man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy?
I prefer also a man who's a good cook because I don't know how to cook.
Opposite with your sister.
I cook for her. I sorry po. I cook for her. So she is used to my cooking and she loves my cooking.
Oh, of course, you're her baby sister. So you like someone who knows how to cook.
Yeah. And because I also want someone to teach me how to cook because what if we had a family and I don't know how to cook. I want to provide for my family to know how to cook because what if he went on an accident and I don't have anyone to rely on. So I want to be someone who is capable to provide for my family by cooking.
But are you also willing to learn how to cook?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, for the future, right? Okay. What drives you wild in a man? A beautiful smile, beautiful eyes, or a beautiful bank account?
For me, it's the eyes. It's the eyes that captures the heart because you will know someone who's really into you when their eyes lit up. And if someone loves you truly, they will look for things that they will get. They will work hard to know you. They will take their time to know you better. po.
Okay.
I think I like someone who has good smile because I love seeing people happy. That's it.
We all love that. Okay. Describe the kind of love you are ready to give to the right person.
To the right person. I think um it's my care. I want to give that my care um I want to give my five love languages po because I am a very affectionate person and I want to give all my ability to provide him every love languages that he needs and I want.
For me, I would love to give him the emotional security because nowadays it's really hard to find someone that a partner that you can depend on 24/7, and most nowadays that people lack empathy, and I think that is my forte, and I am always willing to listen and care for my partner.
Okay. This is like one of the most important question from this interview. What age do you see yourself getting married?
I think at the age of 30. Yeah, because from then, I see myself prioritizing my career first. As a graduating student today, I would like to build financial security, building a life that is stable, and I want to gain a freedom that only few can have, that someone who is capable of traveling to around the world, someone capable of helping others without hurting your own finances, and someone who can explore and learn different cultures and heritage of the world.
I really love that. And by the time you're 30, you feel like, okay, I'm ready to settle down. Okay. And how about you, Ben?
Me personally, I don't see myself getting married
Oh no, why?
because I don't know. I don't like to be with someone po especially with a man because I don't like guys.
May we know why?
Um b- Maybe because of of my environment. I don't like angry guys and I fear men. So I don't want to get married and I don't see myself getting married because um ne, um what's that?
Okay, that's really interesting because you really have a, opposite. You want to be, married in the future at the age of 30, and then you know. Okay, I feel like I want to be their sisters. They're smart, they're beautiful, and anyway, you smell so good. She smells very good. I really love your perfume.
From it was advertised by Nadine Lustre.
Can you tell us your name and age, please?
Hi, I'm Redessa. I am 19 years old.
How are you tonight?
I'm fine po.
Okay. Here's the question, Bem. How do you prefer your foreign partner? Skinny, chubby, or fluffy?
Skinny, I guess. Explain. Um, I don't know. I think it's just my preference po in a guy. I want them actually tall, skinny.
Okay. What personality trait do you like most in a partner? Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
I want po someone that's confident, but of course at the same time I want them also to be funny because as Filipinos we love a funny guy to keep us company.
Okay. How about you? Are you funny?
No. So I think it's a plus if the guy is funny because I'm actually not a funny one.
But are you hard to like make you smile, make you laugh?
No naman po. It's
Okay. Now choose one. Okay, choose one. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, white, and handsome, or short and very handsome.
of course po tall, dark, and handsome.
How tall are you, Beth?
I don't know po, but I think I'm the range po of 5'1".
5'1". Okay. Do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, like handyman, like that? A man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy?
I want someone po that is a great cook because I do believe po that a way po on a woman's heart is to raise tummy.
What drives you wild in a man? A beautiful smile, beautiful eyes, or a beautiful bank account?
Realistically speaking po, of course, with what's the last one po again?
Beautiful bank account.
Yeah, the beautiful with the beautiful bank account. But I think it's also a plus po if the guy is also has a beautiful smile as well po.
What age do you see yourself getting married?
I think po 27 to 30 because I am very future and goal oriented person po. So I think I will first focus po on my career, on my future. Then if I know that I'm already stable, then I guess I'm already ready on that next chapter of my life.
Okay, next phase of your life. Have you ever had a boyfriend before?
No po.
Oh, so you're no boyfriend since birth. Wow, and you're in college, right?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
Nursing po.
What is your name and age?
My name is Dwayne and I'm 28.
Interesting name, Dwayne. That's a guy's name, right?
Yeah.
Who gave you that name?
It's my nickname. I give it to myself.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't pronounce my true name.
Oh.
My real name.
I want to know now. What's your first name?
Juan.
Juan.
Yeah.
That's a unique name. So here's the question. How do you prefer your foreign partner? Skinny, chubby, or fluffy?
Skinny, chubby, or fluffy. I think in the middle of skinny and chubby. In like athletic type.
Are you athletic, mom?
Yeah.
Oh, I could tell. Okay, this one. What personality trait do you like most in a partner? Aggressive, confident, funny, or shy?
Confident.
Confident. Choose one. Tall, dark, and handsome. Tall, white, and handsome. Or short and very handsome.
I think tall, white, and handsome.
You're the very first one who picked that tonight. Okay, do you prefer a man who's good with his hands, a man who's a great cook, or one who's tech savvy?
I think a man with good hands.
What drives you wild in a man? A beautiful smile, beautiful eyes, or a beautiful bank account?
Beautiful smile.
What age do you see yourself getting married?
Maybe around 30, 30, around 30 something. It's not really on my mind right now.
May naman, what's your work?
I'm a graphic designer.
Wow. Okay, anyway, thank you so much, mom. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.